Hi, it's 3D Wonders. We're bringing you the best tips and tools in 3D scanners and 3D software. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use the EinScan HX 3D scanner and EXModel reverse engineering software to transform scan data from a wheel hub into a precise CAD model. Let's start with the rim. Our goal is to reconstruct the conceptual shape using a rotational sketch. To achieve optimal results, we should first extract the straight lines. Simply brush along the cross-section and convert it into lines. Connect all corners of the lines, and use the autofillet command to automatically set the radius dimensions based on the cross-section. For manual adjustments, use the fixed size fillet command. Select the sketch and apply the revolve command to create the rim shape. Always perform a comparison analysis after completing each model to allow for immediate corrections. Revising at the end of the process can be more time-consuming. The green color indicates that the CAD model's accuracy meets the specified values. Next, let's move on to the spoke section. To simplify modeling, hide unnecessary parts of the scan data. Use the Scan Edit command, select the relevant scan data area, and apply the Isolate command to automatically hide the unselected areas. Begin by constructing the basic shape of the spoke using the rotational sketch command. Sketch according to the cross-section, and use this sketch to produce a revolve model. Perform a comparison analysis. Now, let's create this profile. To achieve this, we need a solid model to use as a cutting tool. Start by creating the sketch and generating the revolve model from it. Since this object has a free-form surface, use the Fit Surface command to create it. Extend the surface beyond the solid body. Apply the mirror function to this surface. Then use it to trim the revolve model with the Trim command. Add a fillet to this edge. This should be a variable radius. Create a circular pattern with this solid body. Apply this pattern to cut the previously created spoke. Perform a comparison analysis. For the next step in creating this profile, we will extract each surface. The surfaces you choose to extract will affect both the workflow and the CAD model produced. Don't hesitate to experiment with creating this profile multiple times to refine the workflow and CAD model. Remove the unnecessary surfaces. Apply the fillet before the pattern process to streamline the design workflow. Once the solid body is created, perform a circular pattern. Then, use this solid model to cut the spoke. Perform a comparison analysis. The following step is to create the lug holes. Start by making one hole for reference. Then use this reference to create the lug holes with the rotational sketch command. Generate a circular pattern with the solid body to cut the spoke. Remember to conduct a comparison analysis. Overall, the reverse engineering process for the wheel hub is nearly complete. We just need to add small details and finish the process. Thanks for watching 3D Wonders. If you found this demo helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more 3D scanning and software tips. See you in the next video.